Good morning, YouTube people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. May 25th, 2021. Yes, indeed. Early this morning, Jake Locksmith service in Florida. I'm having a problem with my Carprog. I'm having a problem with my Carprog. Y'all understand? Early in the morning, you know. Now, let me know as I got this hooked up right, y'all. Y'all need to talk to me. See, I got it. I call myself doing what they say. So I need help. Somebody help me. I got that hooked up. I got it powered up. See there? Got it powered up. There go the cord right there, powered up. Right there, powered up. Now, this what I'm getting right here. I don't know. It's reading real slow, trying to get the fire and cut off. So tell me what's the problem. What's the problem? Please, someone. Y'all let me know. Send in some information. Because I got it boosted up, powered up. Look at that, once again. Now, why is it cutting off? Why is it cutting off? Tell me, why is it cutting off? Y'all help me out. Help me out. Tell me why it's cutting off. Help me out. It powered up and everything. Y'all see that? It powered up. Everything. That's the cord right there running. Running. Green light power. So let me know what's going on. Peace out.